Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix from scratch. First, you'll want to create a free account on the Wix platform. This is your initial step to unlocking a world of website creation. Once registered, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates or let the Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, or ADDI, guide you. Think about your website's main purpose, whether it's for an online store, a portfolio, or a blog, as this will help you select the best starting point. Now that you have your foundation, it's time to personalize your site. Wix offers a powerful drag-and-drop editor, making it incredibly simple to arrange elements exactly where you want them. You can effortlessly add various types of content, from engaging text to high-quality images and videos. Experiment with different color palettes, font styles, and page layouts to ensure your website perfectly reflects your unique brand identity and vision. To make your website even more powerful, explore the Wix app market. Here, you'll find hundreds of applications to extend your site's capabilities, from advanced analytics to social media integrations. If you're selling products, easily set up an online store with beautiful product galleries and secure payment gateways. You can also add features like a dynamic blog, custom contact forms, or convenient booking services to engage your audience. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Consider connecting a custom domain name to give your website a professional and memorable address. Before going live, use the mobile editor to ensure your site looks fantastic and functions perfectly on all screen sizes, from desktops to smartphones. Once everything is just right, hit the Publish button, and your brand new Wix website will be live and ready for visitors to explore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.